From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
We had some sunshine and warmth this afternoon, but a cool down is on the way. I'm Tyler Hughes with your CNET forecast this evening, and let's start with a time lapse over the course of today at Beaver Stadium. You could see some sunshine in the morning right around sunrise. And then later in the morning, we got into this heavier blanket of clouds through about lunchtime or so. And then we began to see those peaks of blue sky again. And around 2, 3, 4 o'clock, things completely cleared up. An absolutely gorgeous blue sky late in the afternoon with temperatures approaching 60 degrees in some locations. The cold front is starting to push its way through, and as it does, it's clearing out some of the clouds and rain that were actually out ahead of that cold front. You can see showers still making their way up through eastern Pennsylvania, the Philly metro, up through Allentown and the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre area as well. So those locations could still see some rain and showers really through tomorrow morning, but for us in State College and in Center County will remain dry, and that's the good news. When we zoom out, you see plenty of high pressure back behind this system, relatively clear skies, and although things may get a little bit chillier, the good news is we'll remain dry, at least for the next day or two. Current conditions out there, 59 degrees in State College. You can see starting to see peaks of sun and warming up just a bit here in central and western Pennsylvania, eastern Pennsylvania, still under the gloom of clouds and maybe even a few rain showers as well. So this evening here in State College, we'll begin to cool things off as that cold front passes through. Early to mid-evening tonight, those temperatures will begin to drop off pretty rapidly, first to around 50 degrees by dinner time, and then continuing to middle and lower 40s by early morning by the time we're asleep. Tomorrow in the morning, we'll wake up to temperatures at or around 40 degrees, mostly clear skies. I think the cloud boundary will set up a little further east of Center County here, and over the course of the day today, tomorrow rather, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, again clearing out in the evening, but it won't warm up tomorrow quite as much as it did today. It'll only warm up to about 50 degrees or so. Tomorrow evening will cool things down even further to at or around freezing, and late tomorrow night into early Friday morning, that potential exists with a strong northwesterly breeze for maybe a snow flurry or two making it into central Pennsylvania. Our next big rainmaker disturbance comes late in the day Saturday. I think we're dry through about midday Saturday or even into the middle of the afternoon hours before this area of unsettled weather makes its way into our region here. And you can see rain and clouds stick around Saturday evening through Sunday morning as well. And I think Sunday in the morning we'll see some clouds sticking around through the afternoon and evening, but the rain will begin to dry out in the afternoon and evening hours, and we should be dry Sunday in the evening as well. So this evening here in State College, we'll dip down to around 40 degrees, maybe a touch cooler in some locations. Clouds will continue with a light southerly breeze. Tomorrow, a nice day, but not as warm as it got today, a high of only about 51 degrees with a northwesterly breeze. And that northwesterly breeze could give way, as I said, to some of those snow flurries early Friday morning. Nothing accumulating, though. So here's the 7-day forecast here. You notice, even though we cool things down into the lower 50s for the end of this week, things begin to climb on Sunday up to around 60 degrees. We get another cold front and another round of rain for your Monday as well. For CNET, I'm Tyler Hughes. Have a great day.